going to show you how to make stir-fried chicken. Alright, I'm going to put one breast of chicken fillet, cut it up, cut it quite thin. Okay, there you go. It's a breast fillet. This is already heating up now on the pan. I've got one breast of fillet, chicken fillet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some onions, and I'm going to use Naz's mosla to actually make, and I'm going to use some tomato puree for the wrap. Again, tomato puree adds that bit of richness to it. Okay, woohoo, that's hot. Add a bit of oil. There you go. Let's add that, and let's throw that in. Okay. Let that cook. There's no need to add anything to this. This has got everything in it you could possibly want. Should we add a few mushrooms to this as well? This is how versatile my spices are. This is how versatile this mosla is. I'm going to add a few mushrooms to it as well, okay? Don't do it the way I'm doing it. Whatever you do, it's just Naz's way of doing it. Alright? So that's nice. This is how much you need to put in. Again, I can't say enough about it. One more. Half teaspoonful equivalent of tomato puree. Goes in there like so. And I've got some pinch of spring onion and some coriander that's just gone in. And what we're going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water and a bit of salt to season. Yeah. This is for the wrap. As you can see, this is wrap it up. And you've got yourself a wrap.